tilt it now and then shove it.
Oh.
Get my body right, Todd.
All right.
Okay. Can you hold that converter in?
I got the converter.
Okay. You hold the converter, I'll get back here.
You caught. There we go.
There we go. Yeah. Go back in a little more. There we go. That fucking thing. Whew.
Need a break?
Yeah, because then I gotta pull it from the top and slide the jacket. Whoa.
You gonna be able to pick that up?
Yeah. Before. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Go, Kel.
Good?
It's caught on the frame. It needs to go forward.
Okay. Hold on a minute.
I mean, it's on there, but
Hold on.
It needs to go one more.
Huh?
It needs to go one more.
What?
The tranny.
Need to go one. Okay, ready? I'll slide forward.
Oh, it's caught on the Zeus mounts.
Okay, hold on.
If we get it on the tranny, or get the tranny on the jack some more.
Okay, hold on a minute.
can it not come this way,
Hold
flatter?
on, we gotta pick it up, Kel. Ready? Shove it. Okay.
Whoa,
All
you're
right,
not.
Now go up.
We gotta go way forward though.
Yeah, but we can slide it on the jack, can't we?
Yeah, but I gotta get it
Just a
around
hand.
the Zeus. Turn it sideways. We gotta get in front of them Zeus's to begin with. So we're gonna have to take it off and put it back on. Because I gotta be in front of them Zeus's.
Yeah.
Okay, pull it back out, Kel.
Hang on a second. Let me get inside to here. You got it?
Yep, I got it.
Let me get inside.
Yeah, that's what I do. It makes it a hell of a lot easier. Okay, pull it out, Kelly. I'm gonna push it forward, Todd.
All right.
Are we in front of everything now?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Okay, you ready? You tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Okay, go.
What am I doing?
Jacking.
Oh,
Well, tighten it up.
Spin this handle to
Okay.
your right.
I got it.
Okay, hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Hold.
Okay,
Go
let
down
down.
a little bit.
Let down.
Hold on.
Just a little. All right, right there.
Well, we got to go forward. Can we go forward, Todd?
Yeah.
Go forward with it. Okay. Go up now.
Tell me when to stop, when to go.
Oh, hold on. Let it down a little bit.
There you go.
Down,
Okay, go ahead. Go up.
up.
Okay.
Keep going.
Keep going. Just watch the studs.
I got it.
Okay.
Good? Keep going?
Yeah, let's. Todd's seeing it up there. I can't see anything.
Okay.
All right, stop. Just a little bit. All right.
All right, we're on. Okay. Oh, it ain't bad once you get it up in there. You get it on that stud.
Jack
You know
it
what I
up
mean?
just a little bit, Kelly.
What?
Jack it up just a little bit. Keep going. Keep going. All right, right there.
Okay.
No, don't. That's good.
I'm not on second.
It's on there. Just about. Just gotta go up a little bit more.
Well, yeah, it's got to go in. Yeah.
Well, get in there and look. Watch out, I got in front. There you go.
What the hell's stopping it?
I don't know. Let me get our hand. Look. Let me look. Make sure converter.
Maybe it does need to go up a little more.
Okay, jack it up, Cal.
How much? Oh.
It should slide right there.
All right.
Let me get a couple bolts started at a time.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ooh. I don't want to.
Hey, grab. I can't open this door.
Are these bolts?
Well, there's two different sizes. The short one goes in the
Top.
Yeah, that's a short one there, I think, right there. Yeah, them two go on the top of it. I appreciate it, man.
No problem.
That went in easier than I thought it was going to.
It's not bad. It's just you got to get. Like if I had the truck up higher, it'd even be easier.
Yeah.
You know, but I just can't move the truck right now. But then you get inside. You take the floor out and stuff. You get inside. It makes it a lot easier to do. Hey Todd, do me a favor.
Yes, sir.
Guide this thing back. This center dill. You got to put pressure on the one side. I'm gonna knock it forward.
Yeah. We've actually had to do that once before.
Yeah. I was gonna get under there.
You gotta twist it.
Yeah, here, get it on this side. I'll come on that side. It's easier. I'll get underneath it. Knock it. You just gotta, you gotta kind of put pressure on the driver's side.
Yeah. Pull up on the passenger. Damn it.
I know it's tight in here. Sorry.
I'm like a bull in a china shop.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Hang on a second. Let me look at this. Okay, this side's going in.
The other side you gotta push down on.
Go ahead. There we go.
There you go.
Keep going. Alright, stop.
Their clips are
Wait,
lazy.
don't move yet. He said,
Yeah, we're good on one side. One side, we gotta get the pin in one side and then.
Pin's there in the seat.
Okay.
There's quick disconnects.
Yeah. Alright,
Hit the driver's side a little more.
hang on. I might have it. Got it.
You gotta wear all that freaking tire coat off of shit. You know what I mean? Tire coat makes a difference.
Well, you'll never get that with one person.
No.
Because you got to pound on it. But you got to push down driver's side, pull up on passenger side,
Yeah.
and then you hit it.
Hit it, it slides forward. Looky there. Okay, pretty productive day today. Got my buddy Todd Hammonds come over. We got the transmission all down in there. So, as you can see, we got it in there. It's in there for good. Got the converter. Mike Turner transmission. Converter's all down in it. So she's all in for good. So that's a spot. I'm gonna make the lines for it now. But good progress on that. Pretty good weekend. Got to get some things over to Larry here and get dropped off. But you see that was a big step. Get everything tightened up, get it where it needs to be, and then I'll get the floors back in it. Get everything wiped down, get the floors back in it. Get some things made and lines made. Got to make the lines for the transmission there. So get the bolts for the converter and get going on. But pretty good thing. If the weather holds off, the casters are going to come down and going to wet sand and rub it. Hoping to get the wing stuff. But pretty good productive day. So just really glad that got the transmission in it. So thanks for watching. Appreciate everything. Gonna get her done.